This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Park the Highlander on level ground and wait until the engine is fully cool so you don't warp parts. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts and tape vulnerable electrical connectors and the alternator. Cover the air intake, expose sensors, ignition coils, and fuse box with plastic and secure them. This prevents water intrusion. Remove loose debris and large oil chunks by hand or a plastic scraper, so degreaser works on real grime rather than loose dirt. Once the engine is prepped, apply a water-safe, manufacturer-appropriate degreaser evenly across oily zones, following dilution and dwell time instructions. This breaks down baked-on oil. Use nylon brushes and a long-handled detail brush to agitate gaskets, valve cover edges, and accessory brackets. Scrub until grime lifts. Rinse with low-pressure water from a hose or a pressure wand set to wide fan at least 3 to 4 feet away, making sure you do not blast sensors or electrical connectors directly. Repeat application on stubborn spots. After rinsing, dry thoroughly. Use compressed air to blow water from crevices, wipe with lint-free rags, and allow the engine bay to sit for 30 to 60 minutes. Remove plastic covers and reattach any components you removed, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine for a few minutes to warm and evaporate residual moisture while watching gauges and listening for odd noises. If a check engine light appears or something behaves oddly, first dry and reseat electrical connectors and clear codes. If it persists, have a mechanic inspect it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.